I might not be the sharpest tool in the box, but to be blunt, however expensive your knife is, it will lose its edge. And that's the last thing any self-respecting chef needs when preparing cordon bleu delights. So how do they keep their knives keen? Well, that's where a high-quality sharpening steel comes in handy. Professional-grade sharpening steels are oval, which provides a larger surface area for efficient sharpening. Professional chefs hone their blades frequently as they work. The manufacturing process begins with a machine that quickly snips lengths of oval steel. The finished sharpening steel will measure exactly 32 centimeters from handle to tip. A custom-made lathe grips the lengths and guides them into a cutting area, where one end gets rounded off to fit inside the handle. As it works, the lathe sprays the steel with cooling liquid to prevent overheating during the cutting process. Ultra-fine teeth on a specialized device called a drawing machine scrape the surface of the steel to create the abrasive sharpening surface. The grain of the abrasions runs parallel to the length of the steel. The steel is still relatively soft, allowing a stamping machine to punch the company's logo into its surface. The lengths of steel are then heated in an oven until they're 830 degrees Celsius. They're then dipped in a vat of cold salt water. This process hardens the steel. In fact, the sharpening steel is now 20% harder than a kitchen knife edge. The components are dipped into a series of baths to clean them. Multiple nozzles on a sandblasting machine travel up and down the length of the sharpening steels. This cleans off any residue left over from the production process. This procedure also helps prepare the steel for chrome plating, which will protect the surface from rust. An industrial-strength dishwasher thoroughly cleans the sharpening steels. This prepares the abrasive sharpening surfaces for a quality control inspection. Using a set of high-speed, specially calibrated sanding belts, a pre-programmed robot uses precision movements to smooth and shape the tip and sides of the steel. This gives it a polished, rounded look. A grinding machine has carefully tapered the metal to give the steel its sword-like shape. It takes more than 50 steps to create a sharpening steel. A machining tool drills and taps the rounded end of the sharpening steel, creating a threaded hole for attaching a handle. The handle design includes a section that folds down, allowing it to double up as a hook. A combination of glue and rivets is used to hold the wooden section of the handle in place. The wood used is 100-year-old oak. The edges of the handle are carefully finished to ensure a smooth grip. The wood is now given a protective coating of wax. Now, with the production process nearly finished, the third and final rivet can be installed. It's left until last because otherwise the rivet could be damaged by the finishing procedures. With this stage complete, the sharpening steel is almost ready for packaging. But before that can be done, the steel has to be thoroughly cleaned from top to bottom to remove any residue created during production. Well, there you go. I don't know about you, but all that has made me hungry. So let's cut along to the next item. Come on, chop chop. Mind you, I was hoping for more than carrots for me tea. Never mind.